Number 1.
1990 Mazda B2600, price $9,750. It is equipped with a 2.6-liter inline-4 gasoline engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive. The truck has approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives well. Finished in a clean gray exterior with a black interior, the paint remains in nice condition and presents well for its age. The interior is well kept, showing that the vehicle has been properly cared for over the years. It rides on great tires that provide solid traction and add to its overall road readiness. With its pickup truck body style, automatic transmission, and dependable gasoline engine, this Mazda B2600 is a practical choice for daily driving, light hauling, or as a classic compact truck for enthusiasts looking for a simple and durable vehicle.
Number 2.
1996 Ford F350, price $7,000, powered by the legendary 7.3 Power-stroke diesel and shows just 160,000 miles. It features the desirable Regency conversion package and is paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck runs strong and fires right up, reflecting the durability and reliability that make these Power-stroke models highly sought after. Its dually rear axle provides excellent stability and confidence when towing or hauling, making it well-suited for heavy-duty work or long-distance use. The interior remains in good condition for its age, showing normal wear but still presenting well overall. With a clean title and solid mechanical condition, this F350 stands out as a dependable work truck while also appealing to diesel enthusiasts and collectors looking for a well-kept classic.
Number 3.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,995. Well-kept 4WD pickup truck equipped with a reliable 350 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. It has 166,000 miles on the odometer and holds a clean title. A considerable amount of money has been invested into this truck over the years, which is clearly reflected in its excellent overall condition.
The engine runs strong, fires right up without hesitation, and the truck drives smoothly and confidently.
It sits on great tires and offers a comfortable driving experience. The interior is well maintained and remains in good shape for its age, showing minimal wear. On the exterior, the paint is nice and the body is completely free of rust, adding to its clean and solid appearance. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is in near-perfect condition and would make a dependable and attractive 4WD truck.
Number 4.
1999 Ford F150, price $9,000, powered by a 5.4-liter 2-valve gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 78,000 original miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. It has always received regular oil changes and consistent maintenance, much of which was personally performed by the owner throughout most of its life. Both the interior and exterior are in near-new condition, with the original paint carefully preserved through hand-washing only. The seats have been covered since 2008 and remain like new, along with the carpet and original floor mats. It also features newer tires and a newer battery, making it a well-kept and reliable vehicle with a long life ahead.
Number 5.
1997 Ford F150, price $6,250. With only 111,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this truck has been kept in great overall condition. It features a brown exterior that still presents nicely and comes equipped with power windows, power mirrors, and tinted windows for added comfort and convenience. The interior remains clean and well cared for, showing no rips or tears, and it is completely smoke-free. All original audio components are intact, including a CD player, preserving the truck's factory feel. The air conditioning blows ice-cold, making it comfortable for daily driving in any weather. This F-150 also includes practical upgrades such as a bedliner, camper top, tow package, and running boards, making it both versatile and easy to use. It sits on a great set of Toyo tires and has recently received a fresh tune-up, a new battery, a fresh oil change, and new front and rear brakes and rotors.
Number 6.
1981 Ford F100, price $7,900, powered by a durable inline-6 gasoline engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, showing 80,000 miles on the odometer and holding a clean title. Recent upgrades include a new performance intake, Holley carburetor, high-end headers, and a custom dual exhaust system. The braking system has been fully refreshed with new brakes and brake lines, along with a new gas tank and completely updated electrical wiring. All glass has been replaced, including the front, rear, and side windows, and the truck features new door rubber seals, window gaskets, and felts. The interior has been restored with new door panels, new carpet, and added floor insulation, complemented by extra nice bucket seats with a power driver's side seat. A Hurst floor shifter and new interior gauges enhance both performance feel and drivability. The exterior is finished with custom paint and sits on factory Rally Sport wheels.
Number 7. 1997 GMC Sonoma, price $4,500, well-maintained pickup featuring a rear-wheel drive configuration and a 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The vehicle shows 175,000 miles on the odometer and carries a salvage title. Finished in a silver exterior paint, this truck is reported to be running and driving very well with no known mechanical issues. All systems are functioning properly, including the automatic transmission, power windows, air conditioning, and heating. The interior is clean and in good condition, while the exterior remains well kept with good quality paint. The truck is equipped with good tires and offers a comfortable driving experience, making it a dependable option for daily use or light-duty work. Number 8.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, powered by a 5.3L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4WD drivetrain, making it suitable for both daily driving and light off-road use. The truck shows 172,000 miles on the odometer, has a clean title, and is finished in a blue exterior paint that has been well preserved. Throughout most of its life, the vehicle was kept under a carport or stored inside a garage, which has helped maintain its overall condition. The interior remains clean and well maintained, reflecting careful ownership. The previous owner spent 20 years in law enforcement, and because a patrol vehicle was used for work, this truck was only driven a few times per week for many years. Regular care and light usage have contributed to its reliability.
Number 9.
1997 Ford F150, price $3,250, strong and reliable 4WD truck powered by a 5.4L V8 2-valve gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 178,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. The truck features a green exterior paint and a factory lift that adds to its tough stance. It has received fresh engine oil, the rear end has been fully rebuilt, and many parts have been replaced over time.
The tires are in good condition, ensuring confident driving both on and off the road.
Inside, the floor carpet and headliner have been replaced, giving the interior a clean and refreshed look.
Overall, this F-150 is well maintained and ready for daily use or work duty. Number 10.
1995 GMC Sonoma, price $3,500, rear-wheel drive compact pickup powered by a gasoline 4-cylinder engine and equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has accumulated 267,000 miles and comes with a clean title. The truck stands out with its unique purple exterior paint, paired with a clean gray interior. Known for its simple and durable design, this Sonoma offers a straightforward driving experience with manual control and dependable rear-wheel drive performance. It is well suited for light-duty work, daily use, or as a classic compact truck for enthusiasts who appreciate older manual pickups with character.